Hey guys, welcome to this channel. This is Patrick. I know it's been a long time since I showed my face. Okay guys, today I want to show you certain secrets about the Forex chart. Okay, because I'm beginning to realize that it doesn't just move. It only moves at specific times, and you have to identify that specific time for that pair for you to place a trade. If you place a trade anyhow or at any time, you are very likely to get in trouble. You might get away with it some days, but most of the time you will get in trouble. So without any waste of time guys, let's just get to that video and see how to do this thing. The Forex market does two things. Okay, whenever you look at any chart, there are two things which the Forex market does. The first one is playing, and the second one is moving. Okay, let me use an arrow for that one. It's moving. All right, so whenever you look at a chart, if it's not the right time for that pair to move, know that it is playing. Okay, until it gets to the time when it has to move. If you can look at this, just to make an illustration of what I was talking about, let me just take it to the 15 minutes time frame. You can almost tell that in between the London sessions, all we can say is that price is waiting to move, and while it waits to move, it is just playing. Okay, and then it moves during the London session. It plays in between. It's like break time for that particular currency pair, and once the right time to move, which is the London session, has arrived, it moves. Okay, in between it is playing guys. You cannot take trades in between the London sessions for this pair, and during the London session it moves. It is just like that guys. You cannot avoid it. Okay, it's either you know it or it kills you. Price will only move during the London session, and even within the London session guys, for this pair. Okay, let me just remove everything. I'm sharing with you information that you should be paying for guys. Okay, let me just make this illustration. Let's say this is the London session, the blue box. Yes, price can move right from the beginning of the London session up to the end. Okay, but there's another thing which price does in the middle of the London session. Let's just do this. Okay, let's say this is the middle of the London session. Whenever you see price moving in the London session, price moving, when it gets to the middle of the London session, on the 15 minutes time frame, there is like about 15 candles from the time price started the London session. When it gets to the middle of the London session, it will either reverse or range a little bit. More likely it is going to change directions. Okay, that is very, very key. So what this means is that whenever you take a trade, let's say in the beginning of the London session, when you get to the middle of the London session, you should take note of reversal patterns. Okay, take note of reversal patterns. You might see price doing this. This is the lower key level that price has left. If you will happen to see price coming to close below this key level right here in the middle of the London session, just close your trade, because price is going to reverse from there. Okay, if you don't see the reversal pattern, you can hold your trade till the end of the London session. Let's just look at some few examples here. If you can look at what happened right here, okay, this is the London session. Let's say this is not what I want. I want the vertical line. Let's say this is the London session. What happened is that price changed directions. I don't know why this happens, but it happens again and again. Okay, here's another one. Let's mark the middle of the London session. If you were to count the candles, there is about 15 candles from the opening time of the London session. So from here, price went up and then it reversed, and in the middle of the London session, price changed direction, or it began making a straight move. Okay, I like straight moves in the market. Price began to make a straight move. So from the middle part of the London session, you are likely to find a straight move. Okay, a straight move. Okay, here's another example. If you can look at what happened here, let's mark the middle part of the London session. From here, when price opened, price pushed up. When the London session opened, I mean, price pushed up and then pushed down. And from the middle of the London session, price began to make a straight move. Okay, so if you are to find an entry right after the London session, or from the middle point of the London session, you are very likely to be safe, guys. You are very likely to be safe. If you find an entry from the beginning of the London session, hold it. But when you get to the middle of the London session, wait and see how price plays out. If price shows reversal patterns, just close that trade, because it might make a straight move in the opposite direction. And remember, guys, in the middle or in between London sessions, price is not doing anything. It is playing. You don't take trades here. You go and have fun, go shopping, go driving, and target this time. If you are trading on mobile, I shared a video of how you can set up this whole system on your mobile phone. What is important is understanding the right time to trade each and every pair. Now, here's the thing. You have to be a hard worker in Forex. I might not have all the time to share all these pairs, the right time to trade all these pairs. But once you have this tool, let me just show all the sessions. Okay, let's go to settings. When you get to settings, let's say inputs, you activate the New York session, you activate Tokyo and Sydney. Okay, and then you click OK. These are the other sessions. Okay, these are the other sessions. And then you go through each and every pair. Try to notice the places where price is moving and the places where price is sleeping. Okay, if you don't have the time to do that, just stay in the channel. Whenever I find time, I make such researches. Okay, so from time to time, I'll be uploading a video to share with you new relevant information to help you win in Forex. Okay, so for this video, I just wanted to inform you that you have to be aware of the right time for trading Forex. Don't just trade anyhow. Imagine if you didn't know this kind of information that I shared with you and you are busy trading USD CHF in between the London sessions. You will be losing a lot of trades. Okay, so it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, guys. Thank you for following me. I see many people even joining my Telegram channel. I'll see you there for new updates. Much love for you guys. Much love for you. Thank you for watching.